Okay, what's the activity?
Bochi Ball.
We're getting crazy over here.
Is it like a line? Can I get ready?
Okay, since I don't play Bochi Ball, what's the rules?
Just throw the ball as far as you can.
You roundhouse kick the ball as far as it can possibly go.
That's how you play the game?
Yep.
Okay. Now, Mike is holding his balls. He has both hands. He has both hands with balls.
And I'm rolling my ball. Oh, and he picked it up.
Oh.
Well, I don't know about that.
See,
Seems
Stefan seems happy. So,
Yeah, I'm very happy.
how's Watkins?
Watkins doing great, especially today.
Good, good, good. Okay, so Joy's gonna show her ball handling. Okay, how do you play the game? Explain. Explain the game. I don't know the rules. Closest to the. Okay, give me a ball then. Give me a ball. Okay. Okay.
All at the same time?
Okay, who goes first?
Alright, Ann.
Oh, Ann.
Come on, Ann. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Come on, Joy. You got it, girl.
Why are you so mean?
Hey, that's good. Next.
Oh, that's close.
I don't know my own strength. I'm not getting locked into orbit.
Oh.
Very close.
Oh.
You like bumping balls.
What happens if you bump the ball farther?
Close this ball. Close this ball. Close this ball, right? Close this ball.
Nice. So who's the winner? So what can you say, Stefan?
I say that Americans are copying on the French game of called BOL.
Bull.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
So another imitation,
I see.
unfortunately.
Ah.
Yeah.
So this is not original.
It's like the Americans copying on our French movies. It's always the same thing.
So question. Is French fries really from France?
No, actually, French fries were invented in Belgium, so that's another misconception. But you know, I won't.
And
I
the
won't
Belgian people speak French.
They do. Not as well, but they try.
I see. Is Van Damme from Belgium?
He is,
Bochi balls.
and he pretends he's French because
I see.
he's not cool enough, you know. But
I see.
what did I
Oh
say?
my god, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Good stuff.
Oh my god.
What happened there? Who's the winner? Okay, is there one more ball for me?
Here.
I just throw this, right?
Yes, sir. Closest.
Just roll it.
Closest to the white ball.
I don't even see the white ball.
I've been doing for a month now.
I don't even see the white ball.
What I mean, I need to.
Get it ready, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Where's the ball?
Let's go. Everybody else. I know. Hey, one more. Come on, bring it, Can't take it. The butterfly. Wow.
Oh, I want to see that too. I'm waiting for Derek to show us the whole routine. Derek, choreograph like a beat routine. Choreograph like a beat.
I could on another one quick.
Is this YouTube material? Oh damn! Is that why you want to go to freestyle sessions?
Also, you end up on me.
Yeah, you
Thank you, Ben.
do it for free, buddy.
Sorry.
Oh really? There's no audio. Okay. Alright.
Paul's mine. Mine and mine.
I like that.
Michael.
Daddy,
Go ahead. Thanks.
Hit them all together.
Granny style.
Oh, that was nice. Go in.
So what they go dessert and Kanye. I love.